Hey y'all, welcome back to Tunflix. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most controversial and innovative vehicles ever created, the Tesla Cybertruck. Section 1. Design and Specs. The Cybertruck's design is unlike anything we've ever seen before. Its sharp edges and futuristic look have sparked both admiration and criticism. But beneath its bold exterior lies impressive specs. With a range of up to 500 miles and a towing capacity of up to 14,000 pounds, the Cybertruck is a beast of a vehicle. Section 2. Controversy and Expectations. The Cybertruck's unveiling was a major event, but it also sparked a lot of controversy. Many people were shocked by its unique design, while others were excited about its potential. While the Cybertruck has the potential to revolutionize the automotive industry, there are still many questions about its production, pricing, and overall impact. Section 3. Future Outlook. As we look to the future, the Cybertruck represents a bold vision for electric vehicles. With its unique design, impressive performance, and potential for innovation, it's a vehicle that's sure to continue to generate excitement and controversy. That's it for today's video. Let us know your thoughts on the Cybertruck in the comments below. Do you love it or hate it? Let us know. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car content. Goodbye.